Starting your own business can be a risky and uncertain adventure, but it can also be very rewarding. It's incredibly satisfying to build something from scratch, solve problems, and make a positive impact on the world. If you've ever dreamed of running your own business, you're not alone. Millions of people around the world share your dream, motivated by the desire for independence, fulfillment, and financial success. While the path to entrepreneurial success is not easy, it can be a very rewarding journey. Here are the steps to build your dream business. Find your niche and passion. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for people? Once you know your niche, you can start to develop a business idea that is both viable and meaningful to you. A stay-at-home parent with a passion for cooking discovers an online cooking community and identifies a need for meal planning assistance. By leveraging their culinary skills and experience, they create a meal planning service that caters to families' individual needs and preferences. The service proves successful, establishing the parent as a respected expert within the online community and fulfilling their desire to help others. This example demonstrates how passion can be harnessed to identify a niche and establish a meaningful business venture. Number 2, do your research. Once you have a business idea, it's important to do your research to make sure there is a market for your product or service. This means understanding your target audience, your competition, and the overall industry landscape. Doing your research is a crucial step in the process of creating a successful business. It involves gathering information about your target audience, your competition, and the overall industry landscape. This information will help you to 1. Validate your business idea. Before you invest too much time and money into your business, it's important to make sure that there is a market for your product or service. Researching your target audience can help you to understand their needs, wants, and pain points. This information can be used to refine your business idea and make sure that you are offering something that people actually want. 2. Understand your competition. No business exists in a vacuum. It's important to understand who your competitors are and what they are doing well. This information can help you to identify your unique selling proposition, USP, and develop a marketing strategy that will help you stand out from the crowd. 3. Stay up to date on industry trends. The business world is constantly changing, so it's important to stay up to date on the latest trends. This will help you to identify new opportunities and avoid making any costly mistake. Once you have gathered your research, you will need to analyze it to identify any key findings. This information can then be used to inform your business plan and make decisions about your marketing, sales, and product development strategies. By doing your research, you can increase your chances of success in business. It is an essential step in the process of creating a business that is both viable and sustainable. Number 3, develop a business plan. A business plan is a roadmap for your business. It should outline your business goals, strategies, and financial projections. A business plan is more than just a collection of written words. It is a strategic blueprint that encapsulates the essence of a business, outlining its goals, strategies, and financial projections. It is a living document, evolving alongside the business, providing a framework for decision-making and a benchmark for measuring progress. The foundation of a business plan lies in clearly defining the business itself. This involves identifying the problem the business aims to solve, the target audience, and the unique value proposition that sets it apart from competitors. A compelling mission statement and a concise executive summary encapsulate the essence of the business, providing a clear overview for potential investors, partners, and stakeholders. Crafting a business plan is not an end in itself. It is the first step in transforming a dream into a reality. By providing a clear roadmap, a business plan serves as a valuable tool for attracting investors, securing funding, and guiding the business towards sustainable growth and success. Number 4, get funding. If you need funding to start your business, there are a number of options available, such as loans, grants, and crowdfunding. The most suitable funding option for a particular business depends on a range of factors, including the stage of the business, the nature of the business idea, the financial needs, and the risk tolerance of the entrepreneur. For early-stage businesses with limited financial history, grants and crowdfunding can provide valuable funding without the burden of debt repayment. As businesses mature and demonstrate potential, loans may become more accessible and appropriate. Regardless of the funding option chosen, it is crucial for entrepreneurs to conduct thorough research, prepare compelling proposals, and carefully manage the funds received to maximize the impact of their investment. Securing funding is a critical step in the entrepreneurial journey, enabling businesses to transform their ideas into tangible realities. By understanding the pros and cons of various funding options, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions that align with their business goals, risk tolerance, and financial needs. With careful planning, strategic execution, and a commitment to success, entrepreneurs can unlock the potential of their ventures and contribute to the dynamic world of business. Number 5. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with talented and passionate people who share your vision for the business. Building a strong team is essential for the success of any business. A strong team is made up of talented and passionate people who share your vision for the business. These individuals are not only skilled in their respective areas, but they are also committed to working together to achieve common goals. There are many benefits to building a strong team. When you have a strong team in place, you can increase productivity, improve quality, boost morale, enhance decision-making, increase innovation. So, how do you go about building a strong team? Here are a few tips. Hire the right people. When you are hiring new employees, it is important to look for people who are not only skilled and experienced, but who also share your values and vision for the business. Create a positive and supportive work environment. Your employees should feel comfortable and valued in the workplace. Create a culture of open communication, collaboration, and respect. Provide opportunities for training and development. Help your employees grow and develop their skills by providing them with opportunities for training and development. Give your employees feedback and recognition. Regularly give your employees feedback on their performance and recognize their accomplishments. Reward your employees. When your employees are doing a good job, be sure to reward them. This will help to keep them motivated and engaged. Number 6. Market your business. Once your business is up and running, it's important to market it effectively to reach your target audience. The foundation of a successful marketing campaign lies in understanding your target audience, the specific group of consumers most likely to be interested in your products or services. Identifying their demographics, interests, and online behavior allows you to tailor your marketing messages and strategies to resonate with their needs and preferences. This targeted approach ensures that your efforts are not scattered aimlessly, but directed towards those who are most likely to convert into loyal customers. With your target audience in mind, the next step is to select the appropriate marketing channels to reach them. The digital age has ushered in a plethora of options, each with its own strengths and nuances. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide direct access to a vast consumer base, enabling you to share engaging content, build relationships, and drive traffic to your website. Search engine optimization, SEO, plays a crucial role in ensuring that your website appears prominently in search results, increasing visibility and attracting potential customers. Email marketing remains a powerful tool for nurturing leads, fostering customer loyalty, and promoting special offers. Number 7. Be prepared to work hard. Starting and running a business is not for the faint of heart. It requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. The rewards of entrepreneurial success are not merely financial, they are deeply personal and fulfilling. The satisfaction of building something from scratch, the pride of creating jobs and opportunities for others, and the joy of making a positive impact on the world are all testaments to the power of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Entrepreneurship is not for the faint of heart. It demands unwavering commitment, relentless effort, and the ability to overcome obstacles. But for those who possess the necessary work ethic, dedication, and perseverance, the entrepreneurial journey offers the unparalleled rewards of personal fulfillment, professional growth, and the satisfaction of making a positive impact on the world. Number 8. Don't give up. There will be setbacks along the way, but don't give up on your dream. With hard work and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. The journey towards our dreams is not a race, but a marathon, a test of endurance and unwavering commitment. It demands unwavering belief in our abilities, in our capacity to overcome challenges and rise above adversity. It calls for unwavering focus, for the ability to block out distractions and maintain our attention on the ultimate prize. True success is not merely about achieving a specific goal. It is about the person we become in the process. It is about discovering our inner strength, our capacity to persevere in the face of adversity. It is about embracing the lessons we learn along the way, transforming them into the wisdom that guides us towards a brighter future. As we navigate the path towards our dreams, let us remember the words of the great poet Maya Angelou, "Still I rise." Let us rise above the doubts and fears that seek to hold us back. Let us rise above the naysayers who dismiss our aspirations. Let us rise with unwavering belief in our ability to achieve greatness, for it is within each of us to shape our own destiny. Creating your dream business is an exciting and challenging endeavor. It takes dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn from your mistakes. But if you're passionate about your idea and willing to put in the hard work, anything is possible. By following the advice of wealthy business owners, you can increase your chances of success. Focus on your customers, be innovative and adaptable, never stop learning, and give back to your community. Remember, creating a dream business is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and learn from your experiences along the way. With hard work and determination. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.